Welcome to our guide on the top 5 foods for a healthy heart. Let's explore these heart-healthy options that will keep your ticker in top shape. Avocado, loaded with heart-healthy fats. Avocados are a delicious way to support cardiovascular health. Next up, we have oats, packed with cholesterol-lowering fiber. Oats are a fantastic choice for maintaining heart health. Moving on to salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is known for reducing inflammation and promoting heart function. Let's talk about berries. Bursting with antioxidants, berries help protect your heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. Last but not least, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals for heart health. Incorporate these heart-healthy foods into your diet to keep your heart strong and thriving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a heart-healthy lifestyle.